April 9, 2024. We're looking at the SPY daily on the left hand side, and today it gapped up, and after it gapped up it hit the resistance 520 and then pull all the way, and then pull down, and then dropped all the way down to Friday's low and stop falling. So Friday's low is support now for sure. Friday's low is support 514. It bounced from 514. If we look at yesterday's candlestick bar, where we have a tight range, remember? Let's see here. Let me draw a line here. Yeah, you broke the bottom channel, so it fell as a little bit sell off, and then stopped falling and bounced, and then from Thursday's low. If you look at the yesterday candles, the bar, the daily bar, if we use the Fibonacci extension line, it shows about 200%, a little bit more. Definitely 515, it is another good support. So I guess it was oversold and bounced from there. And you look at 5-minute chart. This is a simple analysis. I just want to make everything simple by looking at the simple indicators. If you look at the RSI for the 5-minute, the RSI, it was trading in the oversold area for a while. This is a sign for bounce. I didn't do any trading here, but when it gapped up, I sold at the top, and then I exit at 519 level, most of them. That's about it for the SPY. And why I sold at 520? Because I see resistance. It gapped up, but 520 is resistance. It's been there. It's a big one. And tomorrow we have economic data, so watch out for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a big move. Again, my favorite indicator is 5-day moving average. It tested. It came down to test the 5-day moving average. The market was kind to us. Very nice. And then another my favorite indicator is 1 minute. I always say 1 minute. I always say my favorite, another favorite indicator is 1 minute time frame. If you use 1 minute time frame, 50 cross above or below 200 moving average. It happens once a day. It must happen once a day. So this is a good indicator to scalp for a few points. If you're not good at support resistance, this is one good strategy to use on 1 minute time frame. 50 cross 200 moving average. It's interesting to see. Look at the 1 minute. There's another pattern, typical pattern here. This looks like a falling wedge. Looks like a falling channel here. This is a typical setup for a bull. I trade a little bit here at the bottom. Let me see, I can show you what I did. I didn't get a lot of points, but I got a few points there. Yeah, that's what I did for today. I got out some. Yeah, I usually have a multiple contracts. Yeah, when the big drop, I was running some errands, so I missed the big move down. But I saw this After 10 a.m. I saw the falling wedge. This is a typical pattern for the breakout. Yeah, for this case it broke above, so tomorrow is a big day. But one thing we should pay attention, look at 15-minute chart on the SPY. Yeah, can you see? This looks like a W shape to me. Yeah, what does it mean? So every time we see a W shape like this, that means it tested the lower low. Now it's forming lower low, but not forming lower high. It has a triangle pennant. We're gonna have a breakout tomorrow, either tomorrow or Thursday. If it breaks out, if it go to upside, it will break above Thursday's high. So watch out. Thursday high is, the resistance should be very weak. Once break above, that means we're gonna have a new high. If it breaks down below today's low and even Thursday's low, that means we're gonna head down to 50-day moving average. So look for the trade setup. If you can, use 1 minute chart. That's a good reference. Again, look at the daily chart. 5-day moving average. It still crossed below 20-day moving average. So I'm not sure tomorrow the 5-day moving average will be tested. So lots of mixed signals here. Wait for the breakout anyway. The market will tell us, what to do. Yeah, we're looking at the ES futures for S&P 500. Is almost identical to the SPY, except ES is trading 24 hours. You look at the daily chart, ES is close above 5 and 10-day moving average. So, and you look at the 5-day moving average closely, it looks like the fight is not going down. It wants to go up. That means slightly bullish. And also look at 240-minute chart here. Today there's no lower low. Look at it. Can you see it? Looks like a head and shoulder to me. Little bit like a shoulder, head and shoulder. So, and still trading within the channel. However, it didn't form lower low today. It's within, yes, it's still trading inside bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thursday's bar. Yes, it is still trading inside bar of last Thursday. So again, there will be a breakout, either up or down. Two ways to play it now. Now since this, look at 240-minute chart, still within the channel. So wait for the news tomorrow. And let's see the supporting resistance levels. If you look at 15-minute chart closely, it went down below 200 moving average on 15-minute time frame, but recover all the loss in the last 2 hours. So it's a pretty strong movement. Now trading above 200. This is a signal. This is a bullish signal. So look at 60-minute. It's still a bit slightly bearish, but once it trade above 200 moving average on 60-minute time frame, it's gonna be very bullish. We're gonna have a strong movement. So watch out. Again, anything below 200 moving average should be bearish. Anything above 200 should be bullish. Also, we have a breakout for the Thursday, the big sell-off bar here. So look for the breakout. Good luck, on your trading tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.